Step 7 has a tool that's built in to help you back up your programs, and it's called archiving. And there are some options we can set up on archiving. If we go to Options in the menu, select Customize, go to the Archive tab, you see we'll have several different compression programs that we can use. The default is the .arj extension. You can also use zip files. I tend to leave it on the ARJ extension. That way I can easily tell a Step 7 archive from any other zip files that happen to be on the disk. You also have the option of specifying in advance the path that you want to use for archiving or retrieving. Again, the default is for those not to be checked, and you specify it as you go. Right now I've got floppy in the A drive. We're going to go up here and select File, then Archive. And I'm going to make a mistake here, just because you're probably going to see this message and I want you to see what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and archive the open project, which is the problem. We're going to say OK here. Select, we want to use the floppy drive at A. Just take the default file name and say Save. We'll probably get this message that says headers and footers won't be included, and that's fine. They're going to be rebuilt when you open up. Now this was the problem I wanted you to see. If the project is open, you cannot archive it. You'll get this message, so say cancel. What we have to do is close the project that we want to archive. Always has to be closed. Everything to do with the project, not just Somatic Manager, the overall project view there. Also, if it happens to be open, one of the blocks in the ladder editor, or if you have a variable table open, or anything like that. So we want to check on the taskbar and see that there are no other editors or anything like that open, nothing but Somatic Manager. So we can say File, Archive again. And this time, since we don't have the project open, we have to pick it out of the list of projects that are on our disk. Say OK. Save it to the floppy drive on A. Say it's fine, we don't care about the headers. And now we've gotten a little further. We have a choice here for disk crossing archive. Most programs will fit on one disk, so we don't have to worry about that. If you had to go to multiple floppies, though, you could pick the size of the chunk to break the program down into. Okay, right now the program is backing up and compressing all the different files that are created under Step 7 for each project. And you see quite a few of them. That's why we don't want to try and go through here and back this up manually. We want to use the archive program and let him worry about where everything is located. Okay, so that took care of archiving it. We'll go down here and right click on the Start button to get our Explorer up, and let's go take a look on the A drive and make sure that the program's out there, see what it looks like. Click on A, and there it is. Now we can close our Explorer,